Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you open your Perplexity library to find the thread you were working on yesterday, and it's just fully gone. Your entire search history wiped clean, or maybe only some threads are missing. Either way, it's basically a panic issue. So here is the truth. Perplexity doesn't randomly delete your data. So the company explicitly states, Perplexity doesn't delete your data at all. If your search history has disappeared, there is almost a specific, basically a reason that you can identify, and there is also a fix. So in today's small tutorial, I'm going to cover every reason why search history might appear to be gone. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So make sure to check which account you are logged into. This is by far the most common reason for missing history. So what happens? You might have multiple email addresses, personal, work, school, and you are logged into a different account than the one you used to create those threads. The fix is pretty easy. Click your profile icon in the bottom left, look at the email address, make sure it's fully displayed, sign out and sign in with the email you used when creating the threads. Also, if you are using incognito mode or in private mode, nothing would be saved. So what you look for, an incognito label or icon near your profile picture or basically near this search bar. Incognito mode, Perplexity doesn't save for activity in incognito mode and threads won't appear in your library after you close them. That's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.